In the bustling world of kitchen gadgets, slow cookers remain an unwavering favorite among culinary enthusiasts for their convenience and the unparalleled flavor they lend to dishes. Among the myriad of options available, the Crock-Pot SCV700-S-BR stands out, promising to be a game-changer in how we approach slow cooking. This review dives deep into its features, performances, compares it to its peers, and shares insights from hands-on experience. Diving right into the heart of its design, the Crock-Pot SCV700-S-BR boasts a generous 7-quart capacity, catering effortlessly to large families or dinner party servings. Encased in a sleek stainless steel finish with a removable, oven-safe stoneware insert, this model not only promises durability, but also ease of cleaning, a feature that cannot be overstated. The classic dial control offers 3 settings: low, high, and warm, providing simplicity and efficacy in its use. This simplicity is a nod to tradition, focusing on what matters most, the cooking itself. Performance-wise, the SCV700-S-BR excels in offering a consistent cooking temperature, a pivotal element in slow cooking. The model effectively maintains a steady simmer, ensuring that even the toughest of meats break down into tender, flavorful morsels over several hours. Unlike some models that may fluctuate in temperature, causing uneven cooking, the SCV700-S-BR's reliability is one of its strongest suits. Whether it's a hearty beef stew or a delicate dessert, the outcome is consistently satisfying. However, pros come with their cons. While its size is an advantage for many, for those with limited kitchen space, storing a 7-quart appliance can be cumbersome. Additionally, the simplicity of the dial control, while appreciated by many for its ease of use, may leave some users yearning for more precise control over cooking temperatures and times. Despite these minor drawbacks, the benefits far outweigh the limitations for most users. In comparison with competitors in the market, such as the Instant Pot Duo series or the Hamilton Beach Set and Forget programmable slow cooker, the Crock-Pot SCV700-S-BR holds its ground with a focus on simplicity and performance. The Instant Pot offers versatility with its multi-cooker capabilities, which might appeal to those looking for an all-in-one appliance. However, it comes with a steeper learning curve due to its complex functions. On the other hand, the Hamilton Beach model offers programmability for those who prefer to set their cooking to start at a specific time. Yet, neither rivals the SCV700-S-BR in terms of sheer capacity and the simplicity of operation, making it a standout choice for traditional slow cooking enthusiasts. From my personal experience, the SCV700-S-BR has been a reliable companion in the kitchen. The large capacity allowed me to prep meals for an entire week in a single go, a real time saver. During testing, dishes cooked on low heat for 8 hours had a remarkable depth of flavor, with meats falling apart at the touch of a fork. One particular standout feature was the stoneware insert, which can be removed and used in the oven for reheating or even baking, adding a layer of versatility to this seemingly straightforward appliance. Maintenance and cleaning are noticeably simpler compared to multi-cookers. The removable stoneware and glass lid are dishwasher safe, making post-dinner cleanup a breeze. One minor gripe was the lack of a digital timer, which meant I had to keep an eye on the cooking time manually. However, given its performance and the quality of the dishes it produces, this was a small concession to make. In terms of recommendations, the Crock-Pot SCV700-S-BR shines for those who value simplicity, capacity, and reliability in their slow cooking endeavors. It's perfectly suited for large families, meal preppers, or anyone who loves entertaining at home. While it may not pack the multifunctional capabilities of some of its contemporaries, it more than makes up for this with its performance and ease of use. It stands as a testament to the adage that sometimes less indeed is more. In conclusion, the Crock-Pot SCV700-S-BR is a stellar performer in the realm of slow cookers. It combines a classic design with robust performance, making it a worthy investment for those who cherish the art of slow cooking. While it lacks the bells and whistles of more technology-driven appliances, it delivers where it counts, in producing delectable, home-cooked meals that warm the heart and soul. It's a reminder that in the whirlwind of technological advancements, the simplicity of slow cooking holds a special place in the culinary world, offering flavors and textures that rush and hustle cannot achieve.